My name is Shakir Samuel. I'm from London. I started off on Instagram, and it wasn't really specific enough for my target market, as I was just reaching out to influencers in different niches, hoping to make good money. It just wasn't happening, so I thought, you know what, I need to learn Facebook. And with Facebook, that's where I'm able to scale up and narrow down my audience and break down my typical customer. I've tried buying courses, I've tried reaching out to mentors, but I thought, you know what, let me come down here, do this in person, and actually have an intimate conversation with mentors who have already done what I want to do. I've learned so much within the past 3 days than I've ever learned from an ebook or a course or a scheduled phone call. I guess for me, the thing is, with this course, they teach you things that you already know, but you're afraid to lay out in front of you, and you're able to structure and organize it in a way where it allows you to progress forward. And I was very hesitant about putting my money into this, but then I just thought about, you know, I'm so confident in my own ability and taking what I've learned and applying it. Just put your money down, meet some amazing people, and build some great connections.